a player, you don't know that many major chords. We hang out and then you get bored, and you leave me here like I'm your landlord.
Hello Piggy Peeps and welcome. It's Kathleen from Cozcreations. Welcome to the No Bra Zone number 4, guys. Happy you're here. 12 by 12 gallery wrap canvas, and a few days ago I applied some molding paste and some crackle paste to this just to give it some texture so I could play a little bit with it. Up here on this top section, let me give you a close-up. It's very, very fine crackle, and that's because it was put down with a thin coat. That is DECOART Americana, and that is their one-step crackle. Easy breezy, guys. Squeeze it out of the bottle, apply it with a paintbrush or a palette knife if you like. The thicker you put it on, the deeper the cracks. The thinner you put it on, the smaller the cracks. Right here, this is a different crackle paste. That is golden crackle paste. It was applied with a palette knife, and I put it down thick, and as you can see, your cracks are thicker. And then down below here, I put down some molding paste. That is golden molding paste. I put that down with a palette knife. I have a short video that I will show you. And then after this dried, I topped it right here with more of the DECOART crackle paste, very thinly applied with a paintbrush so that there were little crackles. And now I'm gonna paint it. It's been dry for a couple of days. The crackle paste by DECOART usually dries in 2 to 4 hours. The golden, usually 24 hours, and the same with the molding paste. We've got some yummy colors here, and they're a little bit unique, but I'm excited about them. And this is round 1 on this painting. Once it dries, I'm going to go in and embellish it with a little bit of brushwork. So in this yummy cup right here, we have golden acrylics in the green gold, and this is a heavy body paint, so it took the most amount of water. All of our paints, with the exception of 2, are mixed the same with a squeeze of paint, because most of these are fluid paints, a squeeze of GAC 800, a squeeze of Liquitex, and a squeeze of American Floetrol. These are the bottles that I use. I get these from Fluid Art Co. I absolutely love them. They have a wide opening to fill them, and they also have a wide spout, which cuts down on the amount of air bubbles that you get. So let's take a look at that consistency. Yummy, creamy goodness. This right here is one of my favorite piggies. This was mixed a little bit differently. I put a big scoop of the pigment in the bottom of the cup, and then I doused it with equal parts of JoSonja Gloss Varnish. Then I added my pouring medium to it, a squeeze and a half of Floetrol because I needed to thicken this up a little bit, a squeeze of GAC 800, and a squeeze of the Liquitex pouring medium. That is this little piggy, one of my favorite shades, and this girl doesn't do green. This is their Lily Pad, right? Yep, Lily Pad. This right here is also a TLP pigment I get from Fluid Art Co. I call this my liquid copper. This is their Zeus. This, just like the Lily Pad, was big old scoop of pigment into the cup. And then I doused it with JoSonja Gloss Varnish, stirred that up and made it into a real nice thick paste, and then slowly started to add my GAC 800, squeeze of Floetrol, squeeze of Liquitex pouring medium. This is a yummy color. I love this hue of red. That is Golden Fluids, and that is their transparent red oxide. A squeeze, literally just a squeeze of your paint, and then your pouring mediums. Absolutely no water was needed. Why? Because it's a fluid paint. This is fun as well. Look at that. Isn't that beauteous? That right there is golden, let me grab the right bottle, golden nickel azo gold, and I added to it just a tiny little dash of the DECOART metallics in the 24 karat gold. No water as well in that paint, even after I added the 24 karat gold to it. Nice warm hue right there. That is Golden Fluids, and that is their burnt sienna. And my yummy Mac paint. Let's take a look at that. This one might be just a little bit thicker, and that's okay. That is Arteza, and that is their Bordeaux Red. So I'm gonna just kind of ribbon pour, or maybe I don't know. I think on the upper area, which is kind of the sky, we'll do possibly a flip cup. It's just I don't want to go too thick on my paint right here because I want to make sure I don't cover up the cracks of that crackle. So we're playing, we're fiddling. That's part of this wonderful journey of fluid art. So much to do, so much to learn, so much to share. Glad you're here, guys. Let's put some music on. Let's get busy.
Spinning like a broken record. For a player, you don't know that many major chords. We hang out and then you get bored, and you leave me here like I'm your landlord. You come back and say I'm sorry, boo, and I know you never mean it, gets you in though. Did you call me cause you had to? Cause you know I'd throw your suitcase out the window. I don't need you here to feel good. No, I'm not angry, I got better things to do. Tell your friends I will be just fine. Don't need no therapist, there's nothing like wine. So you're burning with desire. You sure know how to set a girl on fire. Tired. I don't need you here to feel good. No, I'm not angry, I got better things to do. Tell your friends I will be just fine. Don't need no therapist, there's nothing like wine.
Every day, and I'm still so amazed by you. So hold me tight through the night. It's just us two, me never ends. Let's be more than friends, yeah. You know I'm here to stay every single day, yeah. So hold me tight through the night. It's just us two, me and you. So lucky, still can't believe you love me. Falling into your arms, dancing up in the stars. Oh, where I'd rather be than with you. So lucky, still can't believe you love me. I can't believe you love me. I just feel so lucky. Still can't believe you love me.
Days of romantic prose and lilac wine, nights out under the sky, watching stars align. Days of making sweet honey, Melissa lemon balm. Nights as warm as your breath on my chest, so calm. Now baby, let the summer breeze carry us away. Let the summer breeze carry us away. Baby, to a place where the sun always shines, or to silent lovers, just before you know it, the summer has gone. Halfway into life, you think you've seen it all, but I've never seen a smile like yours. How could any man alive not fall and let the forces of love take their course? Let the summer breeze carry us away. Let the summer breeze carry us away. Baby, your breath on my chest. So